Hey, I learned something new today.
That's good.
That's good. That's
Oh
cool.
my god.
If we have time, of course. Just I'm checking in with Bonnie. Do we have time?
How much time?
Just a couple of minutes. Just I need to understand this. Like we have a resolver, and let's say, yeah,
Yes, we have time.
guide me through this, Lars and Milos.
Well, it's easy. First,
Okay.
generate the resolver.
Okay. I can we write it in inline instead?
Yes.
Can we? Yeah.
Yeah. So I can go to the my route, which is not this one. Okay. So here we have the resolve. Now I need to pass something to this component. So
yeah, just imagine some like the
let's
setting
say
option.
data. Let's say I have a data, and I'm gonna send like a property called hello. If I can write the English, hello.
The resolver is actually a function.
Okay. Okay, so I need to return like that, right?
No. The data was okay, but the data is then a function.
Oh, get it. Okay. So right there. Okay. And then it needs to return, and then I return hello, and then world. Okay. Then what I need to do is take this word data and go to my component. No, not this one. I can just click here, and I need to define data, and then equals input. Input, yep, just like that. And okay, let me see. ng on init console the log.
You can use an effect to do the logging because that's what an effect is for, a side effect.
Data is
a signal you have to.
Yeah.
Entry on it is okay. You have to call it to read it.
Yeah. So this is what you mean by I can actually resolve some stuff in the router in here, and it still have access to it as an input binding inside the component, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see. Did I save? Oh, it's still building. Hey, my computer is dying.
Too hot.
Yeah. Oh, hello. That's cool.
Damn.
The most important thing about the resolver function is it's running inside an injection context. So you can inject services inside there.
Mm-hmm.
And you can return a promise or an observable. And the first value of the observable will be bound to your input. It doesn't have to be a static value.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can we repeat this last part? You return an observable, so I can return an observable in here.
Yeah, just return an off, not inside.
Oh
there.
yeah, just like that. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, this off, and then like 1, 2, 3, and then we go to the component, and then this is how. That's mean I need to subscribe in here?
No.
I don't
it
need
will
to.
be resolved. Yeah.
Oh,
the router, the
okay.
resolver is doing the subscribe part.
Yeah.
Eesh, that's awesome.
What the hell?
Yeah. Hey, I learned something new today.
That's good.
That's good. That's
Oh
cool.
my god.
And you can even inject the HTTP client and do some call and just return the HTTP client.get or whatever, and the router will make the subscribe, and you will get just the data.
Okay.
Maybe inject.
Yes, right.
Or something.
Yeah. I will do it. Just it's the autocomplete has something wrong. Inject HTTP client dot, and it's frozen again. It's whatever. So let's Let's have any random API on the internet.
Like techstacknation.com maybe.
Yeah, just you can just
Free. Just any free API. Hello.
the dummy JSON.
Yes, fast. I remember this. Where are you? There you go. So let's have this one. Let's go back to our code. And there you go. Now, should I do anything else? Or I just leave
No.
it like that?
You can leave
Okay.
it like that.
And no.
But it says that it's okay. So what's...
Oh, hold on. It's just my computer. It's my computer who has a problem. Yay, it worked. Cool.
Oh my god.
You might want to add some error handling, like a pipe
Yeah,
catch error and return something else, but you don't have to subscribe anywhere. Just
If
let
you-
the framework subscribe for you.
Yeah.
Milos?
If you don't handle errors, or you get or the return null or false value, your page would not load. You will get like
Catch.
frozen screen basically, right? Or
And I need to
Yeah.
return off, which is
And to avoid this, Milos, you're saying you need to put like a null thing.
no. If you return a null, you would not load the page. So basically, let's say you're refreshing a page with some ID that returns null from the database, you will get a blank screen, and user would not know what's happening.
Yeah.
So usually you would catch error or something like that, and import a router, inject a router, and navigate away, or something like that.
You can also return a redirect command, so the router will do the navigation.
Correct. Yeah.
so you can also create what is called create URL tree. I can return that.
I think
in the
I think
catch
you don't
error,
need that.
you need to return an observable. So you need an off, and then just the redirect command.
Yeah. So basically, if I came here and just it should work.
Everybody cross your fingers.
It did work. There you go.
Good job, everybody.
Oh my god.
Awesome. Okay. I will shut down the sharing so we don't take much time. But thank you, Lars. Thank you, Milos, on this. I have no clue. I have no idea about that I can pass this data, and it's as an input binding, and it will be resolved automatically. And that because of resolver already subscribe and unsubscribe automatically, so I don't have to care about memory leaks in this area specifically. So that's really cool. Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
That was fun. Thanks, guys.